welcome back to the channel. My name is Folashade Crown. So on today's video, I will be sharing with you how you can twist your hair step by step as a beginner. So I will be using Brazilian wool to twist the hair. So I went off the camera and cut the Brazilian wool and twist my natural hair off the camera. So what I will be doing here, I went in and took about 10 pieces of the Brazilian wool and cross with another 4 pieces. So right now we're going to start from this cradle, from the scratch, by plaiting the hair. So we're going to start by plaiting the hair from the scratch. And next, after that, I hide the remaining plaited parts. I hide it somewhere in between the Brazilian wool. Then I divided the remaining part of the Brazilian wool into 2 equal parts and start twisting. So right now I will be hiding the natural hair that I've twisted hair with the Brazilian wool, so the hair won't be showing outside. So from now I will twist the hair till down, and this is the easiest method for a beginners to get your twisting, especially for someone that cannot twist the hair right from the roots. This is the easiest and the simplest method for you to achieve. And once I'm done twisting the whole of the hair, so I'm going to tie it at the tip so it won't lose back. So next I will be taking the second one again. Then I'm going to start plaiting from the scratch, the same method that's applied to the first one. So that's what I'm going to be doing to the second one again. So I'm going to plait it right from the beginning. Then after getting to a certain point, I'm going to join it, then start twisting the remaining part of the wool. Hey my loves, if you're coming across my video for the first time, welcome to the channel. I am Folashade Crown. On this channel we upload different kinds of tutorial, that is hair tutorial, makeup tutorial, hair wrap tutorial, lifestyle, including YouTube growth. So if this is the kind of video you love to be watching, stay tuned to this channel and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet. Turn on the post notification bell for more video updates. Share the video with friends. Please, let's connect together. So guys, let us know where you are watching from. If you are enjoying this video, let us know where you are watching from, so I'm going to celebrate you right on this channel on the next video. Comment where you are watching from. I would love to know where my viewers are watching from and to appreciate you all. So thank you guys. Hey my loves, welcome back to this channel. So guys, as you can see, I'm still twisting, and I'm going to be using scissors to trim out the excess one showing on the hair. So those ones showing that is not able to go along with the remaining Brazilian wool, I have to trim it out, so in order to achieve a smooth and more clean job when done with the twist. So finally guys, I'm almost done making the hair, as in twisting the hair on myself, and immediately while I'm twisting the hair, I ensure trimming the hair out with scissors. You can see I did not allow the hair to get piled up before trimming it. I'm trimming it one after the other. Immediately I'm done twisting the hair, I will make sure I trim out the excess one from the hair. So this is just the hair, and it took me for like 2 hours to complete this hair on myself. Is it 2 hours? I think 2.5 hours on myself to complete it. I don't know about you, I don't know how fast you can make hair on yourself. It could be less than 2 hours, it's gonna be more than 3 hours, but for me, I'm able to make this hair on myself for 2.5 hours. So hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you are able to learn one or two things from the video. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. Turn on the post notification bell for more video updates, and share the video with friends and family. Comment on the comment section below. If there's any video at all you want me to work on or to upload next, kindly write it down on the comment section below. I will make sure I attend to it. So next, I went into this novel styling mousse and spray it, use it on my hair. You can see how I'm spreading it in order to make my hair look firmer and more neater. So next, I went into this Mediona hair booster. Oh my god, I always love this feeling sensation of this Mediona hair booster into my scalp. I always enjoy spraying it into my scalp each time I make the hair. So because it doesn't allow the formation of dandruff, it doesn't allow the hair to get break easily, and it keeps my hair growing faster. So guys, you can see how the hair is looking so cute on me. To all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always returning. I love you so much. So guys, I will see you all in my next video. So bye.